If your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC isn't detecting your Bluetooth headphones, there are a few simple fixes you can try. Start by opening the search menu and typing airplane mode. Open the airplane mode settings and make sure airplane mode is turned off. Then check that Bluetooth is switched on under the wireless devices section. Close the settings once you've confirmed both options. If your headphones still aren't detected, open the search menu again, type Device Manager and launch it. Expand the Bluetooth category, right-click your Bluetooth adapter and choose Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers, then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose the appropriate Bluetooth driver. If more than one driver is listed, select the one provided by your device manufacturer instead of a generic driver whenever possible. For the best results, visit your Bluetooth adapter or computer manufacturer's website and download the latest official Bluetooth driver and support software. Installing the newest driver directly from the manufacturer often resolves compatibility and detection issues. Next, open the search menu, type Services, and launch the Services app. Find Bluetooth Support Service, double-click it, and set the startup type to automatic. If the service isn't running, click Start, then select Apply followed by OK. Finally, restart your computer to apply all the changes. After rebooting, try pairing your Bluetooth headphones again. These steps resolve most Bluetooth detection problems on Windows 10 and Windows 11.